Hi, everyone. It's,
Hi,
it's me, John,
and me, Daniel. Woohoo!
and we're excited to share with you some yummy cats mail that we both received from Frizzy Bee.
Yeah,
And we want to do our unboxing with you guys. So, this is exciting.
yeah. Froggy's been patiently waiting for mine to arrive.
Oh, yes. Yes, very patiently waiting. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to. She taped it good for me.
Just take mine good too.
So, I got to try and get this open.
And these scissors are rubbish.
Oh no. The tape is strong. The tape is strong with this one. Oh, gee.
Julianne, what tape did you use? Seriously?
Oh my goodness. This is like mega strong. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got one side. Just one side. I know you're going to have yours open before I will. Dang.
Well, let's get that label off.
Yeah, I had to get the. Okay, now I'm open.
I'm not.
I'm waiting on you.
Oh, am I open? I'm open.
That's what mine looks like. Oh, that's what you. They look the same. Okay, cards first.
There's a
Uh-oh.
card. That is cute.
There is a card first. Oh dear. I don't know what that little. What is that?
Oh,
Oh, it's a Yummy Cats thank you coupon. Oh, I want to keep that. Oh, what's the card? I love the card. It's kitties. I love that. Oh, I got a letter. Oh. Oh.
oh. I'm not gonna read it out, but that's really cute.
Oh, you are very welcome.
Oh,
Julianne, you
I've got a coupon too.
are very welcome. Yes, it's a Yummy Cats coupon.
I just thought it was a thank you sticker.
You are extremely welcome for everything.
Oh,
So,
I love it.
oh my gosh, can you see what's in the box now? I just took the top
Oh,
off
I don't.
and you got more than I did. So you enjoy. Oh, no, maybe you didn't. Oh, I have something here. What is
She sent me Smarties.
what is this? I didn't you didn't have to what? You didn't have to send me anything else. Oh, Jillian, Julianne, what did you put in here? Thank you.
What
It's
is
my
it?
it's my banana.
Ah,
No, no, but it's not all. I got a bunch of stickers to go with my banana. Oh my gosh. Oh my
oh,
gosh. This is the way she. Oh, I want to see how she packed your cat.
yeah.
Pull out your cat. Do you see your cat? Oh my gosh. Oh, I got to show the front, don't I?
Mine's in a blue one.
Oh my gosh. It's got a
Oh,
spoon. Oh my
that is
gosh.
so cute.
I never in my life that. I don't want to open it, but I want to open it. Oh my gosh.
I got Smarties.
That's awesome. That's amaze balls. That's a thank you for what I. Oh my.
Have you opened Jules? I love the spoon.
See, this is what I pay for. This is Nanner and Split. The bananas.
Oh, look.
Oh, how stinking adorable.
Look
Oh
at
my
the
gosh,
tail.
look how cute they are. Look at the tail.
I've got
And the
this in here too.
cherry. Oh, what is that? This banana is so stinking cute. I
Oh,
haven't even opened my
I got
pack.
a little packet of stickers.
Okay, I haven't opened my packet. Let's open the packet up. Let's see what's in the packet. Oh my gosh, I am so overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, it's Nanner. Okay, the first one says Yummy Cats. So there's Yummy Cats. And then this is Nanner.
That is so cute.
And this is all the Yummy Cats. All the way around. You can see Dan's cat right there. And mine is up over here. Oh my gosh. Wait, it goes better. There's a card.
Oh, that is cute. I've got a card for mine too.
And then Split has a card. Split, that's awesome. Oh my gosh, this is Amazeballs. And then that is so cool. Oh, I love that. This is for your stickers too. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
So I've got Piper.
I love that. That's so cute.
And I think you've got that one too, haven't you?
Yeah, it's all the cats.
And then I got.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And then I got the Yummy Cats one, but this was what was in there.
Oh, wow.
Her name's Holly.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. That's
got a little card for Holly in there too.
That is cool. Did you read your card?
I'm just about to read it.
So Split is the topping pal banana. The hobby is tumbling. Wow, this is going to be hard to read. Hang on, I got to make mine bigger. Hang on 1 second. And I'm going to blow it up for myself. So 1 second. All right, hang on. So says Split tries to keep up with Nanner while she does her gymnastics, but quickly realizes she's a tumbler instead. Trampolines are Split's favorite, but if she sees a gumball pit, she can't help but dive in. It's getting out that can be a problem, but Nanner's always there to help. And then Nanner's card. One moment, I'm going to take a picture of Nanner's card. Turn off my flash. And then Nanner's card is Nanner. Flavor is banana split. Favorite Yummy is Terry. Oh, Yummy cat. Hobby is gymnastics. Nanner is a true gymnast at heart, spending her time balancing like a well-balanced triple scoop sundae before finishing with her signature move, the splits.
Where did I put? Oh, there.
I love that. I gotta hear your words.
So, Peppermint. Piper's very musically inclined and finds herself tooting on her peppermint stick flute whenever she has free time.
Oh wow.
She's found that whenever she starts tooting the peppermint pals come rolling behind her to the beat. So she likes the flute.
That's awesome.
And then Holly, which is Holly.
Yes. Oh, I love that.
Holly loves to roll. As soon as she hears the sweet beat from Piper's peppermint flute, her rolling begins. Rolling lets Holly see the Yummy Cat's ice cream shop from every angle, her favourite being upside down.
Oh, I love that. These
And they're
are
so cute. They're so cute.
adorable. Oh my gosh, these are amazing, everyone.
And there is a QR code on the back.
Yes, these are so stinking cute. The way they are packaged is exemplary,
Yeah.
above and beyond. The attention to detail is amazing.
Oh, amazing.
Oh my gosh. So, if you check the description box, you're going to find a link to the Yummy Cats website, to Frizzy Bee's YouTube channel. She's got Frizzy Bee and Yummy Cats YouTube channels, and a link to her Kickstarter. So you can go check it out and maybe help her out with her Kickstarter.
Yeah, the Kickstarter hasn't got long left and it's still got some way to go. So
We would really appreciate it if you would, you know, subscribe to her on YouTube. Um, Check out the Yummy Cats website and see if there's a kit that suits you. And hey, maybe you'll find a tier on the Kickstarter you'd like to join. But I want to tell you, I really love my Yummy Cat.
Oh, I love my Yummy Cat. It's so much cuter in person.
This is adorable. And of course, my split. I'm just saying. She
And
made these.
her stitching is amazing.
Oh, and I'm telling you, it's on point. And this is just adorable. I mean, I love this.
It's so
And
cute.
in fact, it comes packaged like ice cream.
I got a. Did you get the deluxe kit, Froggy?
Yes.
Yeah, I got the deluxe for Piper as well.
Yes, this is the deluxe kit for Manor and Split. That's why I have Split with Manor. So,
But you can also order the standard, but you can buy
yes,
the little toppers on top.
I had to get the. Well, I had to have that. Had that
I
Split.
think with the deluxe, it automatically comes with their topper.
Hmm.
But if you order the standard, you can get the topper separately.
You can get this by itself, or you can get this by itself.
Mm-hmm.
Just check out that website.
Mm-hmm.
It's really worth it. But we do appreciate you guys watching our video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. And please check out Frizzy Bay.
Please do.
And have a good day.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.